Facing troubles with your speaker not working in Microsoft Teams? No worries, I am here to help you diagnose and fix the problem. Achieving better performance demands regularly updating Teams and the OS of your machine. Let's start by checking the speaker settings before your Teams meeting. Teams will show you a notification if your speaker is muted before the call starts. Simply select Unmute to hear others in your meeting. You can also ensure your speaker is working before your meeting or call starts by checking your device settings. Navigate to Settings and More Devices. Under Audio Devices, ensure your speaker is selected from the Speaker drop-down menu. You also have the option to test your audio settings. To do this, select Make a Test Call and follow the instructions from the Test Call bot. It will give you a summary of your audio status and by which you can adjust your settings accordingly. During a Teams meeting, to make sure if you can hear others, check whether your speaker is muted or disconnected in your device settings. Navigate to More Options, Settings, Device Settings. Under the Speaker section, ensure your device is unmuted and it is as the selected speaker. If you're still facing problems with your speaker, head over to your Windows Sound Settings. From Windows Start, select Sound Settings in the System Settings. Go to Output, and in Choose Where to Play Sound, select your device. Sometimes problems may occur due to remote desktop settings if you're using it. To resolve this, navigate to Remote Desktop Connection, followed by the Local Resources tab. Under Remote Audio, select Settings, and choose the right options to be set for your device under Remote Audio Playback and Recording. Following these steps will likely resolve your issues with the speaker in Microsoft Teams. If the problem persists, don't lose hope. Consider turning to Microsoft support communities, where countless users and experts stand ready to help you troubleshoot further.